Hey guys, I welcome you to this very interesting presentation on interest rates and inflation rates. The question is there a relationship between interest rates and inflation rates? So here we are guided by an economist named Irving Fisher, who gave the theory that interest rates could be nominal interest rates or real interest rates. And what he said is that the real interest rates ought to be same all over the world, but the nominal rates may vary because of inflation in individual countries. So let's proceed to the next slide, where I give you an example to illustrate this concept of Irving Fisher. So what Irving Fisher stated is that the businessmen, the business community is mainly concerned with real interest rates, and the real interest rate ought to be same all over the world. So what he said is that there could be variations in the nominal interest rates, and that is because of inflation, which is different in different countries. So if we eliminate inflation from the nominal interest rates, then we get real interest rate, and that real interest rate is same all over the world. So this theory of Irving Fisher is popular all over the world with the title International Fisher Effect. So here's an example that there are two countries, country A and country B, and the currency for country A is Y, and the currency for country B is Z. The rate of interest is 4.75% for country A and 3.25% for country B, and the rate of inflation is 3.98% for country A and 2.5% for country B. So what we got here is the famous formula given by Irving Fisher, and that states difference in interest rates equal expected differences in inflation rates. And if we use the data given in the previous slide and we plot the data in the formulas given here, then we end up with the result that difference in interest rate, which is 1.45%, equals expected difference in inflation rate, which is 1.44%. And that proves the point made by Irving Fisher. So as you can see, that capital market equilibrium requires that real interest rates be the same in any two countries. And now we continue with that example of country A and country B. And there's a formula here, and we plot the data in the formula, and we get the real interest rate for country A, and that is 0.07%. And now let's see what's the situation with country B. So this is the case of country B, where the nominal rate is 3.25% and the rate of inflation that is expected is 2.5%. Plotting these figures in the formula, and we get the real rate 0.07%. So now These examples clearly demonstrate the Irving Fisher theory that real interest rates ought to be same all over the world. And the reason why the nominal interest rates vary is due to local inflation. Well, thank you guys, and we'll meet again in some very interesting topic within the umbrella of finance.